everyone, this is Attorney Lilian from Lillylegal, where we help our clients get status for themselves and their families using the U.S. immigration law system. So today I want to talk to you about whether you can work in the U.S. while your green card is still pending. So the answer to this, short answer is it depends, right? It depends on if you filed for a work authorization. So in a family-based immigration setting, which is what we do mostly here, we would file a work authorization if the person qualifies, right? So that is the main thing to keep in mind is if you are filing for a green card through your spouse, you should think about filing for a work authorization if you don't already have one and you want to work while your green card application is pending. Okay, it is very important that you do not miss that step, and that while you're talking to your lawyer, that you are having that discussion about your expectations as far as work is concerned. Okay, because sometimes people think, oh well, it may take a year to get my green card, let me just wait for that, and then things change in their lives that require them to have that work authorization, right? That they want to work. So you want to have that discussion, especially if it's something that you know is important to you. You should be discussing it with your lawyer from jump. For most of my clients, actually 99% of my clients, I don't even have to ask, right? That is just a part of the basic marriage-based packet that we file for our clients, because you never know, right? The person may have a work authorization, but it may expire before their green card is approved, so they would need another work authorization. So for most cases, as long as you file for a work authorization, get that approved, then you can work while you're waiting for your green card application to be approved. Remember though, you should not be working in the US without a work authorization. If you do work in the US without a work authorization and you're filing for a green card through your US citizen spouse, luckily for you, the working without authorization is going to be waived, right? USCIS is not going to hold it against you. But if your spouse is a permanent resident, they are going to hold it against you. So it's really important that you know the difference there. Yes, you can file for work authorization and work with that work authorization while your green card application is pending. If you are already working without a work authorization and your spouse that's filing for you is a US citizen, then just know the working without authorization will be waived due to the fact that your spouse is a US citizen. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And let's say your child that's a US citizen over 21 is filing for you, working without authorization will be waived in that situation as well. So it's really important that you let your lawyer know from day one what is important to you. Like I said, for us, that is just part of our basic family-based green card applications. When the spouse qualifies for a work authorization, we will be putting those in, because like I said, things change. People may think they don't need to work right now, and then things change months later and they want one. So now you've wasted all those months that your application could have been pending. So you really want to make sure that from day one, we are filing those for you, and you're just waiting for that to be approved. Or sometimes in some states, your green card application may be approved before the work authorization, but you want the option to be there for you if you want to work. Okay, so that is all I have for you today. If you would like to schedule a time with me, feel free to do so. All my contact information is in the description to this video. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, share this video with your family, friends, everyone. And if you are watching in a place where you can subscribe, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my uploads. And as always, I am Lillian Chukura. I am the owner of Lillylegal, where we do immigration law and we do it well. Bye for now.